Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Manu Agarwal and I'm going to do Tableau tutorials. Today's topic is how we can create a bar within a bar chart. This type of charting is done to make comparisons. The data I'm using is a sample superstore. You can get this data from the Tableau website or it also comes with the Tableau tool. So let's see how we can create a bar within a bar chart. So let's first create a bar chart. The fast way to create a bar chart is to double click the measure, then double click the dimension. This way the bar chart is created within seconds. We have created this nice looking bar chart. Now if I want to make comparison, if I wanted to compare profit with sales, then what I'm going to do is to pick profit measure and put it onto the sales axis. So what this has done that it has created a side by side bars, but we do not want side by side bars, we want a bar within a bar. So what I'm going to do, I am dragging this measure names and putting it onto the color shelf. Okay, now again it has created a stack bar chart, okay, and we do not want a stack bar chart. So to turn it off, what we're gonna do, we're gonna click this analysis tab and from this tick marks we turn it off. Okay, so now again we do not have a bar within a bar. What it does that it put the bars behind each other. Okay, so how we gonna make a bar within a bar? It's simple. We simply take this measure name and put it onto the size shelf. So now you can see we have created a bar within a bar. See how simple it is. So if you want to make any comparison, then you can always choose or opt for this chart type. With the help of this chart, you can clearly see in the table segment, there is a loss of about $17,000 with a sales of about $2 lakh. So you can easily see the comparison with the help of these chart. Now, if you want to do any customization, you can simply do it. You can see that currently the bars are vertical. If you want to make it horizontal, you can simply click on the swap button. So the bars will be horizontal. You can also change the view type also. So now it looks much better. And in the same way, you can do as many customization as you want. Now you can see the profit measure is within the sales measure. If you want to reverse it, you can simply put this measure values of profit under the sales measure. So now you can see the bar is reverted. The sales measure is an inside bar and the profit measure is an outside bar. So you can do as many customization you want. In this example, I've made these bars with two measures, sales and profit. You can also create this bar chart with dimensions also. I will cover this topic in the next video. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. If you wanted to learn more about Tableau, then do subscribe to our channel. I will meet you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.